Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your Google Authenticator setup key. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Authenticator app and log into your account. This is the foundation for accessing all your two-factor authentication settings and managing your security options. Now, finding your Authenticator setup key can vary depending on which application you're using, but in this tutorial, I'll walk you through finding Gmail's Authenticator setup key specifically. Start by heading to the top right part of your mobile screen where you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it to open your account options. Your account management screen will appear with several menu choices available to you. From here, tap on Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can control all aspects of your Google account settings and security features. Once you're in the account management screen, look for the Security and Sign In option. This section contains all the important security tools and authentication methods that protect your account from unauthorized access. Open the Security and Sign In section to see all available options. From the list of security options that appears, look for the Authenticator option and tap on it. This is where all your two-factor authentication settings are managed and configured. Now from here, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account's password to verify your identity. This is an important security measure that ensures only you can access these sensitive settings. Go ahead and enter your password, then click on Next to proceed. This verification step protects your account from anyone trying to access your Authenticator settings without permission. Once verified, tap on the plus Setup Authenticator button. You'll be presented with a QR code that's typically used to fill in the Authenticator details quickly by scanning it with your device's camera. However, since we're specifically looking to find the setup key in text format rather than scanning a code, tap on the Can't Scan It ? Link located below the QR code, and there you have it. You'll now be presented with instructions showing your 32-character setup key that you can manually enter into any Authenticator app or save for backup purposes. This key is essentially the same information contained in the QR code, just displayed as a text string that you can copy and use whenever needed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.